Hello, this is Dan Smith, and I'm looking over the GoPro Karma Grip and my GoPro Hero 6. So as you can see on this, I turn this on and it shows 94% battery power. So I'm going to turn that off right now. Actually, can you see that? I don't know, 94% is what it says. I'm not sure if it shows up on the video or not. But I will turn that off. Let's see if it comes off here. Sorry, oh yeah, there it goes. And now on the Karma Grip, I push any of these buttons. And you can see that none of the lights show up here. If I hold and press for any kind of hard reset or anything like that, still no lights and still no action. You can see the stabilizer doesn't do anything either at this point. It did, last week when this problem started. It went through the motions of being going through the process of a hard reset, but it didn't seem to ever do anything. But at least it, the lights showed up and things like that. But so now there's no hard reset. Not even that works. Now the only thing I can do to get some action in there, I will do this one-handed, but I'll take out that and I'll put this in here. Just a minute. I need two hands for this, so just 1 minute. And now that's in place. And I'll just, for fun, I'll do the same thing. I'll press the power button, try it again, still no lights. Try to do the hard reset. Holding. Still no action, still no lights. Stabilizer doesn't do anything. Okay, so remember the Hero 6 has 94% battery power in it. Set this up so it can do its motion, and I will again put the phone down and plug in the Karma Grip. And so now it's plugged in, and so it's plugged into the wall, and you can see now there's actually the first sign of light is the fact that the camera just came on. Remember, I turned it off earlier. So the camera came on. Now we'll see. What I've seen in the past anyways is stabilizer will jolt like maybe once a minute. I don't know if it's 100% on 60-second intervals or what. I didn't check that 100%, but periodically on a 60 to 120 second basis it would jolt, like come into life, in other words, and then it would go limp. And that part of the action is similar to what it was last week, when even the lights would shine. So we'll see if that even happens now. What I have noticed, the reason I pointed out that the camera Hero 6 shows 94% is when I tried this before my last weekend trip, like Thursday or so, I noticed that I did this for all day long, had it plugged in, the Karma Grip and everything plugged in, and the Hero 6 ended up getting completely wiped out of power. So it went down to 0%, in other words. So here the camera went out, I see. And I still see no action at this point. So unless something happens here shortly, I would say the Karma Grip, in my opinion, the Karma Grip is just simply getting worse and worse. it doesn't seem to hold a charge at all. There, it just went into action. Okay, so that's 5 minutes 11 seconds into the video, and you can see it jumped into action and it went limp again. Now I will wait again and see if it does it. Sorry, that means the video will be that much longer. And obviously that's why I propped it up on the shoes, so we could do that without being interfered with by the floor or whatever. Tick tock, tick tock. So that was past 60 seconds, but there, and in there it actually, so it's 65 seconds as that one took. I don't know if that's a real exact thing, if there's some kind of trigger that says, hey, I'm supposed to be awake, and or hey, I'm supposed to be sleeping or something. It looked like that happened to be like 65 seconds, but so there, woke up and went back to bed, and I'll wait one more time here. So it went off at 5:11 and about 6:16. We just passed the 7-minute mark. And there was 65 seconds, so again, 67 seconds, 67 seconds that time. So, whatever. There it says USB connected, and then you can see my battery power on the, or maybe you can't see, but it says 92% now. I don't know if that's very significant quite yet, just because the Carbon Grip obviously has practically zero. But anyway, so that's how it goes. Let me know if you need anything more. Thanks, bye.